Missing someone. Missing someone.
Subscribe and like or die tomorrow. Yeah. Okay, so welcome to another video. Today we're gonna be doing a Minecraft server because I decided, you know what, let's do it. So me and Poland has been working on it just a little bit because you know what, who freaking cares? It's my server. I can do whatever I want. So this is how you guys will see it when it will just be just like this. I mean, really, this is like the lobby. So you go through here, you're gonna go somewhere else. You go through here, you're gonna go somewhere else. On and on and on and on and on and on and on. So my idea was to take that and make it so that way the players will be teleported to different rounds, different places. Sorry. So this will be kit PvP or PvP in general. So I don't know how to set it to one player grabs one thing, but we'll figure it out very soon. So basically what's going on here is we're going to make it so that way the server is like OP. That way players can come on because you guys are my fans and I don't want to get bored every time I'm doing a Hypixel video. So we're probably just going to be recording on my server. But yeah, so that's I just fast forwarded it for you guys. But basically this is going to be the kit PvP area where players could PvP each other. You can go into survival mode. You could do you could like troll band players, stuff like that, like Munchie and Invaded Lands. But it's also like different in many ways because everything looks different. There's different kits, different names, different modes. But yeah, that's my whole point. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go and play some Minecraft, see what we can do. Poland ain't gonna be joining. Poland isn't gonna be joining because it's 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock for me. It's 12 o'clock for her, so she's not gonna be able to join the call today and help us out. But I'll be able to do this on my own. Also, if you guys want to see a video where I give someone a Minecraft account for something, or make a bet with somebody, or like ask the biggest noob in Minecraft to do a challenge, and if they lose, then they owe me like, I don't know, $100, and if they win, I owe them like 200. I don't know. Maybe even we'll double it up, but we'll see. But that's basically my idea. So this is gonna be kit PvP, where you just drop down, start fighting, all that and that and that. There's not really much place because the server just started. The server is just in development. There's gonna be like different chests all around, or villagers or whatever. I'll get that working very soon. But yeah, so this is basically just the look of it. So you guys are getting like a first look at what we're doing. So now, what I'd have to do is I would have to get hold on. Okay, I would have to get the spawn point for them. So slash. Okay, so I have to get the exact coordinates. So what I do is I go on my phone. I go to back to notes, or even on my computer, whatever, same thing. Honestly, I'll use my phone. Use my computer. So I type in the coordinates. So negative 489, 16, negative 540. No, that's that's what we need. That's our coordinates that we need for spawn. So people will spawn in right away. So what we do, we go right here. Then this is gonna do the same thing. So slash TP. Oh, hold on. Slash TP. And then at P. Okay. And then now always active. Impulse, maybe, no, unconditional. Okay, are not able, oh my god, I have to enable it, hold on. Options, give me just a second. Command box. Okay, let's see now if that's working. Okay, let's try it again. Oh my god. Oh my god. Slash TP at P. There. Okay. Now, always active, and that's it. Oh my god. It says that it's on! Okay, I gotta restart. Okay, restart. Okay. Yeah. Let's wait. While we're raiding, let's do some, I don't know, let's go on Hypical. What was that game? Oh, Vampire Z. Hold on. Vampire. Okay. Let's see what this game is all about. Oh, okay. Server's on. Okay. Now let's see if this works. Oh shit, what did I do? I need to get some things off my inventory. Okay, so slash TP at P this. Always active, done. Oh, yes! Yes! It worked! Okay, but it teleported. Wait a minute. Was it 50? Wait. It was 40. Right here. Okay. It was right here. Let's test it. Let's test it. Let's see if that actually worked out. I wonder if it was... No. Okay. Let's go over here. Okay, but at least I know it kind of worked. At least that's a good thing. Am I right? I mean, at least it worked. Okay. Where is it? Wait, is it not gonna work? Okay, what if we, like, I don't know. Okay, let's put dirt for now. So set command. Oh my god. It worked. Always active. Command set slash TP. Yeah. That's the correct command. Oh my god. Slash TP at P this. Always active. Oh. We have to do it on repeat, I think. Because what it does is just send us back. Okay, so when we do it, it doesn't send us automatically. We have to set the command to it, and then it will teleport us. So if I put them to always active, repeat, this should actually work now. Maybe? Do I need to get Commander on the call or something? Let's see if he's even online. Hold on. I'm gonna text him on Discord. We should get TeamSpeak, but they won't let me. They say no. They say they don't want me to get TeamSpeak, and I'm like, let's get TeamSpeak. I mean, it's easier. Okay, let's get. Hold on, I have to update something. Okay, never mind. We're good. Okay, let's see if I can call him. God, if he doesn't answer, I swear to God. Yeah, no, he's not on. Okay. So, that was a fail. Maybe conditional? Maybe, let's put it to chain. Maybe it's redstone that I need to put. I don't get it. Hold on. Okay. Impulse. Let's put it back to impulse and then unconditional. Okay. If I go over here, it's not gonna teleport me. Great, we broke it. Okay, hold on. I hate using command blocks. Okay. What if we make it with redstone? So, or we could just make it where every time they would die, okay, hold on. Let's see if this would work. If I just do this and I build them a stairway all the way up here inside where they can only get in but not out. What if that would be possible? Okay, let's look. Let's see if this is even possible. Okay, so we would have this would be like this. That would be like that. This nope. This would be like this. Oh my god, I glitched. Okay, and then let's replace these. Okay. Okay. And then now oh my god, I lost my jump. And perfect. Yes, wow, okay, this is perfect. So now they could just go right down back and right into here. Yes, I thought this actually wouldn't work, but this is actually perfect. So now I'm gonna make this if I could do that, and I could make it, okay, let's make it a bit longer. Let's do quartz. Oh, see, yeah, let's just say quartz. Then we do this. And the good thing is nobody will able to see it outside. This is quartz. Okay. Actually, I need to change that. This is set quartz. Okay, this is better. Let's start building the stairs. Okay. Hold on. I missed it by 1 block. Or by 2. I think by 2. Because it's supposed to be like this. Okay, hold on. We're gonna figure out a way. There we go. Now, I'll make like there. That's enough space just for them to go like this. Actually, screw it. I'll make another one. Just for players to easily get in here. And not be all, I hate this RR. Or whatever. Because people usually do that. Okay, so now they would have to look at this. Let's just say quartz. Okay. This is set quartz. Cool. And then I could do this and that. And say quartz. Okay. Oh, so this is set quartz. I got a better thing. Hold on. Is that? Okay, I think I'm fine here. Up 10. Up 10. Up 10. Oh my god. Up 10. Thank you. It's probably way too much. Oh shit, hold on. There we go. And then this would be a second. This is quartz. So they would have to look at quartz. And then I would have to do. So this is set quartz. But to get rid of this little guy. Because that's what's blocking. So this is set 0. Cool. Now, all the way from, oh no, all the way from here, all the way down here, we have to make us quartz. That way, they just go into an empty, sad looking room. Because that's how I feel every time I build. Okay. So, right after you do that, all I gotta do is just do 1, and then Bada bing, bada. So this is set quartz, boom. Bada bing, bada boom. Easy like pie. And then this also says 0, and you're done. That's it. That's how I do it. Oh wait, yeah, you have to do this. I forgot. So this is set quartz. That should be it. Now I want to see how it fits, because usually it won't fit. Okay, it fits perfectly. So I could get rid of this and this. So now they could just go up. Oh, and of course I have to put lighting. I don't want them to think that I don't care about the server. I mean, I don't really do, but still. At least I'm being honest. Okay, so let's just set C. C lanterns. Oh my god. Just set C lanterns. Oh my god. So just set C lantern. Oh. There's no S. Okay. That's weird. Oh, no, 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 no. There we go. So this is set C underscore lantern. So this is set C lantern. Okay, cool. So now that this is done, we could. Okay, hold on. Cool. Now that we could, now that all of the lighting's finished, all the stairways, let's make the big opening. Okay, so players can just get in. We'll add in some redstone stuff just so that way they can only get in but can't get out. And then they have to PvP. Once a player fails and dies, they have to go all the way back in from the lobby till over there, or we'll just set a spawn point at one point, and then it will keep changing every spawn point. So this will be like the spawn point of everybody when they first join. So let's do this slash set world spawn. Spawn. Okay, cool. So now usually players could just, when they get on here, they'll be right there. Now if I do slash kill, oh my god, kill me, and then I go back, there, see? Spawn right back. Spawn right back. That's good. Now if I do slash game rule keep inventory true. I don't know why that wasn't true, but who cares? So now that that's finished, then that's really it. I mean, we just have to do the others, and we're good to go. So I don't even need commander at this point. Now for the next one, this is gonna be pretty complicated, but I also have to finish the video in 7 minutes. So the next episode, we're gonna have the next time I record with this place, you guys will see me starting to build the other places. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. If you don't leave a like and subscribe, you will die tomorrow. Yeah, that's right. Don't forget to check out. Don't forget to I don't know, watch the video, share with your friends, share with your family, do whatever you want. Just please support us. We're starting new. We want everything to be in exact way. So be nice and don't do anything stupid. That's an advice.